Hello. In this section, we are going to learn first how to integrate JavaScript UDF function with Azure streaming job. Then, in the next video, we are going to demonstrate how to integrate intelligent Azure machine learning functions with Stream Analytics jobs. And then, in the last video of this section, we are going to demonstrate how to build an Azure streaming job with input, output, and data transformation using .NET Management SDK. This video is a part of the section on optimizing intelligence in Azure streaming, and in this lesson we are going to talk how to utilize JavaScript user-defined function that could be integrated with Stream Analytics query language. In this lecture we are going to talk first how to get started with JavaScript user-defined functions. Then we would be discussing about the various data type differences between JavaScript and Stream Analytics query language. Then in the demo part, I am going to show you how to create a JavaScript UDF function with Stream Analytics job. Then in the last demo of this lecture, we are going to show you how to call a JavaScript UDF in a query. So let's get started. Azure Stream Analytics supports user-defined function written in JavaScript. With the rich set of string, regular expression, math, array, and date methods that JavaScript provides, complex data transformations with Stream Analytics jobs become easier to create. JavaScript user-defined functions support stateless, compute-only scalar functions that do not require external connectivity. The return value of a function can only be scalar value. After you add a JavaScript user-defined function to a job, you can use the function anywhere in the query, like a built-in scalar function. There are some specific scenarios where the JavaScript UDF is useful, like in case of parsing and manipulating strings that have regular expression functions, for example, regular expression underscore replace and regular expression underscore extract. In the scenarios like decoding and encoding data, for example, binary to hex conversion. In case of performing mathematical computation with JavaScript math functions. There are significant type differences as well when we are going to convert JavaScript to Stream Analytics. For example, the number data type in JavaScript is being converted as bigint in Stream Analytics query language. Similarly, the date data type in JavaScript has been converted as datetime in Stream Analytics. String is being converted as nvarchar max, since Stream Analytics TSQL Query language interface till now don't support string data type. It supports as nvarchar max. Similarly, the object data type in JavaScript has been converted as record in Stream Analytics. So there are some significant differences in the data types between JavaScript and Stream Analytics. Now let's see a quick demo how to add a JavaScript user-defined functions with Stream Analytics. For this demo, I already have a sample Stream Analytics job to be created. Now in this job, under job topology, I am able to find the option called functions, where I could be able to add the function as JavaScript UDF. So under functions, I'm going to select add, and once I select add as hex to int demo, in the function type, I'm going to select as JavaScript UDF. And now in the output type, I'm going to define as any. Now in the function tab, I'm going to write a function that could be useful to convert the hex value to integer in JavaScript. So I'm going to write function main hex value. Then I'm going to define the return type as percent to cast it to integer, hex value, comma 16. And that's all. The function has been created, and I'm going to change JS function from hex to int. So that's all, and I'm going to click on create. So just to add the JavaScript UDF as function into the Stream Analytics job. So it will take a few minutes of time, and within few minutes it would be added as a JavaScript UDF function within Stream Analytics. So our next demo is based on how to call a JavaScript UDF function in a query. For this demo, in order to call a JavaScript UDF function in a Stream Analytics query, first I'm going to select query. Now under query, I'm going to show you how the query looks like. So typically in the query editor, you could be able to see that I'm going to invoke the schemas in the stream analytics query, the time which is being available in the data stream of the incoming data input of the stream analytics job. And next schema where I am going to convert the hexadecimal values into the integer. So there actually I'm going to invoke the UDF function, the JavaScript UDF function, and I'm going to call the UDF function from the stream analytics query. So I have utilized this corresponding utility, that udf.hex2int, which is my JavaScript UDF function name, that is hex2int as a type of offset, and I have defined it as a new type, that is int offset, and then the transformations have been sent into the output, which is a blob storage, and the data which is coming from the incoming streams, on top of which we are adding the data transformations using the JavaScript UDF function. So this is how we can call the JavaScript UDF function in a query in real time on TSQL like query interface in stream analytics job.